Hi everybody! For this intro, I've been joined by Yo-Yo! Oh, Paul. I must apologise for the way I look. I've not been very well the past few days. Poor Yo-Yo's been looking after me, haven't you? Yes. So I've had a request in the comments on my last how to draw, or how not to draw video, to do Invader Zim, considering that's coming up soon on Netflix. So I thought it'd be fun to do a how to draw on Invader Zim. So I'm going to take you through how I would draw just the basic Invader Zim, and yeah, let's see if we can have some fun. Hey Yo-Yo? Let's draw some Steven Universe. Now, originally I had done this exactly like... Oh, hang on a minute. I said Steven Universe. I meant Invader Zim. I meant... Oh, I did do the voiceover like the Steven Universe video. However, I wasn't very well on this day. As you know, I'm still not very well. But I kept yawning and I figured, well, yeah, I need to do the voiceover again. But so here we go. Yay! So as you can see, for his head, I've drawn like a bit of a sort of rectangle with two pointed bits at either end. Now I'm drawing his antennas, which are just basically curved triangles at the top. And that's how you start the head and the antennas. And then his eyes are pretty much like big, massive dinner plates that go onto sort of like the middle of the head. And that's pretty much it for the head, apart from his mouth. Doing the neck, as you can see here, tidying up the edges, doing a bit of this and a bit of that. Oh, his little smile. Don't forget his little teeths. Teethies. Gone from feeties to teethies now. Oh, and then these are like the shines on his eyes. So when you to colour it, it would be like a light pink rather than a dark pink for his eyes. Now for his collar, another triangle. Pretty much Invader Zim's just made up of lots and lots of shapes. He's a lot easier to draw than Steven Universe anyway. Although for some reason I drew him so big that even on my A3, sketchbook, he's gone way off the page. Like, why, Leah? Why? Anyway. Drawing his arms, just a couple of little things. That's his body, pretty basic shape. His legs come out of the very sides, another couple of triangles, and then his feet are just, oh yeah, and his shoes, shoes, more triangles. Obviously, if I had enough room to draw his feet, for goodness sake, they would just be another couple of triangles again. So apologies for that. Being a bit of a idiot and not planning ahead, I guess. Well, I mean, I always tend to draw a bit too big, really. But I suppose it's better to draw too big than to draw too small, right? I think. Oh yeah, just adding in the stripes for his torso and on his arms. And that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Invader Zim. Like, he looks pretty good, doesn't he? Very cute though. Very, very cute. So now I'm going to go in with my brush liner and I'm going to just basically outline all the bits that I've done. And there's a lot of black on Invader Zim, so I'm just going to colour in the bits that are black on him, like his antenna, his arms and his feet and his legs, as I just pointed out there. I probably should have used a bigger pen to colour in the black bits, but I couldn't really be bothered to get up and get another pen, so my liner would, it does the job, you know, probably just, you know, wasting ink, but it's my pen, isn't it? If I need another one, I can always buy another one. Or hope that somebody buys me one for Christmas, because, you know, most of my stuff has been bought as presents, which is pretty cool. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just colouring in the lines at the moment. So yeah, just outlining all the bits that I've done, showing you the bits that you need to line in, and then obviously the bits that we don't need to do, like behind his eyes, where we just drew his head shape. Those little shines as well. And then his little neck. Oh, and his little teethies. Doesn't he look so happy? And then onto his neck piece. I'm guessing it's something on his uniform. And then his shoulder pads. Onto his arms. The little lines. And then when I get onto the hands, I didn't exclusively keep the square shape. When I coloured it in black, I wanted it to be a little bit more, I don't know, hand shaped. I mean, I'm pretty sure that one I kept square, but I'm pretty sure I changed the one on the right hand side to be just a little bit more hand shaped. Yeah, so I cut the little bit off the end. Makes it, I don't know, does it make it a little bit more handy shaped? Maybe, maybe not, who knows. But yeah, so colouring in his gloves, and then onto the, I don't know, what would you call it, like a dress? I'm sorry, Zim. Oh, his little uniform dress thing. And then his legs and his boots are all black, so I don't know why I bothered filling that line in, because it's all black, so I'm just gonna colour it in anyway, aren't I? And here I am, colouring it in. Da, 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 da. It's been a long day. God, looking at this back, I probably should, like, you know, paint my nails or some, maybe. Oh, there I thought I was done, and no, I still had some lines to do. Now I'm done. How cute is he, guys? There you go, Invader Zim. Adorable. Adorable. Me and Yo-Yo, I hope you've enjoyed this how to draw tutorial. If you want to see anything else, please let me know in the comments. I'm sure I'll be doing plenty more of these, so let me know your thoughts on how it's done, how it could be done better. Oh yeah, I have a Gur tattoo as well. Maybe Gur next. Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more content that's pretty much the same. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Say bye, Yo-Yo. Bye.